Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelly Miles. We are getting creative this morning with our cocktails. Siobhain is joining us with some easy drinks that are perfect for the summer heat that is upon us.
Oh, is it ever?
I know, right? Like
Yeah.
it just came in hot.
Well, it's a little bit scary that it's this early, but that's okay. And we have to have libations.
Yes, we do.
To keep ourselves comfortable here in
Absolutely.
South Texas. So we decided to make a couple of really easy margaritas, unusual mixes in our next couple segments. So first we're starting with our margarita. Okay, sometimes everybody's got different recipes. I get it. Y'all all have your own way of doing this, but this is called the Easy Quick margarita. Like if people are just like popping in on you and you need to do it quickly and don't want to get everything pulled out and everything, pretty easy. We're doing it with frozen Minute Maid orange juice, one of the larger cans, and a limeade. So that's kind of what you're doing instead of the orange curacao and all that. This is kind of where we're going on this one. So pretty easy, and I love it because these are your measuring cups. So you dump one.
In goes the limeade.
Limeade goes first. Then we got to have that touch of orange.
These are literally my favorite things.
Oh,
like they're so good.
Jeez, whiz. Making a mess. I'm always making a mess. So you know that one just came back and talked to me. Okay. All right. So then what we're going to do, so you're going to do 1 and 1. Okay. Then we're going to do 2 cans of your favorite tequila.
Oh, girl.
And honestly, remember, you don't want to use the best. I probably am going to do about it 1.5. Otherwise,
I was going to say we're going to run into some.
This is going to be
very
my
early
guess
still.
No, it's about, I don't know, what, 5 o'clock somewhere?
Those of us that get up
early.
early.
Okay, 5 o'clock somewhere already. So yeah, my whole group here was all excited when Siobhain said she was doing cocktails. Like, really? So I'm going to do 1.5, but you can make them stronger. You can do 2. It all depends on what you like. And then you also use this for the water that you're adding. So it's pretty easy, actually. We're doing 3 of these. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3, right? So let's do that. All right. And I love it because it's simple. There's nothing to it. Makes it so easy. You don't have to do a bunch of blending.
Orange juice, limeade, tequila
and water.
And
that's it.
Put it on
and these are your measuring cups. So it can't get any easier. Sometimes people are just popping in on you. So we are going to do a little stir job. I'm going to have to use this.
I love it.
In the meantime, we'll see what you think.
Okay. I mean, it smells good.
It's an easy. I mean, I'm not saying they match. Everybody's got their own margarita. You don't mess with margarita people. Boy, when they're ready, they tell you, okay, that's not my recipe. I was like, okay, that doesn't have to be your recipe.
This is a good little summer by the pool cocktail.
Yes. And then you make a big old pitcher. You don't have to blend them each and see what you think.
Woo!
Sean?
You know what?
No,
that's good.
Well,
I taste the lime has a little like
and then the
flavor.
orange. Again, not the exact, but it's normal. Okay, wait, you have to do just one more. Okay, real quick. All right, they say that if you drink tequila and you add apple juice to it, you can't taste the tequila. I want you to try this. That was on, I was TikToking and, Instagramming and all that, so tell me what you think, because that's what they say. I'm gonna give it a stir. They say apple juice and tequila, and they say you can't really taste the tequila that much. I don't know.
You can't.
I know. I told you.
That's so weird.
So.
Okay.
That's
very interesting. I love it. Keep it here. We've got some more summer cocktails coming your way. We are getting creative with our cocktails this morning. Siobhain is here. It's Thursday. It's never too soon.
Thirsty Thursday.
Yes, all the things.
There's so many sayings you can come up with.
So what are we
making?
making?
Out of school, and so moms and everybody are kind of sitting by swimming pools or in the house. So this one's an easy. I don't think it's always fair that the children get their own Capri Suns. The little packages of juice. So I'm making an adult cocktail Capri Sun. So
I like it.
It's not real complicated. These are the tropical blend. These are the frozen fruit. Now they have several different kinds. I decided to do the mango, pineapple, and kiwi. But you also have the other ones. So in the frozen food section where the frozen fruit is, just get one of the bags that has, of course, the Ziploc on top. All right, so here we go.
Okay.
Little lemonade. Got to diet down a little bit.
Okay, so you got lemonade going in with the kiwi.
Little bit in there.
Some pineapple.
Yep, as much as you want. These are kind of, now they're just saying, you fill it up according to like 2 ounces is kind of what I would do.
Okay.
But if you're one of those that likes it a little stronger, I'm not going to complain a little bit.
No.
So take the bag, close it up, and then get yourself a scissor.
Fun.
And you just make yourself a little bitty slit right about there. That's for your straw.
Okay.
So,
That is so fun.
And then you just take your straw put it in, and away we go. So, and you can kind of mix it around a little bit, but if you let it sit for a little while, the fruit kind of infuses.
Nice. I like it.
There you go.
Grown up Capri Sun right
See what
there.
you think? Come on, girl.
I can't try all the drinks this
You
morning.
can. Why not? Just a little, just a little.
Oh, it's good. That's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, and I taste the fruit.
The longer it sits by the end of it, and then of course you know how at the end you got that sloppy soaked in fruit that you can get a fork and go for.
Good deal.
All right, here's another one. Super easy. Got a bunch of people sitting around.
Yum.
Yes. So take yourself a lemonade. It can be an Arizona or it can be whatever lemonade you like. You're going to take at least a quarter of it out, if not a little more. We're taking frozen peaches. Nothing big. Put them in the actually in your container.
Ooh, yummy.
Yeah, can't get hard, so this is easy, easy, easy. Put as many as you like. Some people don't like as much peach. I do. I love the mix of lemon and peach together. So
that's a good mix.
Yep. So we're gonna put as many in here as you can. Then what we're gonna do, tequila.
Okay, so tequila, lemonade, and frozen peaches.
And then away
we go.
And all you do is just fill up the remainder or how much you want. Remember, you do have a large amount of lemonade though, so you're gonna need to put a lot in here.
And you're just putting it right into the lemonade bottle.
Yes,
Good to go.
Yes.
Okay.
And the part I love is you just put a lid on it. It can sit in your fridge. The longer it sits, of course, the more the peach infuses. And then you can put this out by the pool. You can put it in a cooler. Oh, and if you really want to, you can put a big O straw in it.
I love it.
No.
All right, keep it here because we've got much more coming your way in just a bit with Creative Living and Siobhain. Welcome back to San Antonio Living. It is hot, and if you're relaxing outside with a cocktail or you need some new ideas, we've got you covered this morning.
A couple of easy ones, not too complicated. We're kind of changing things around than the normal drink that everybody makes. So this one's pretty easy. It's called a Moscow Mule Mimosa. Okay. So we're doing a little twisty there. We're adding two drinks into one. Okay. So pretty easy. These are plastic fluted champagne glasses. You can get them H-E-B, Walmart, all those places, which I love because by the pool, just pitch them if they get ruined and they don't break. So for the sake of time, it's a half of a lime that you put in one of these.
Got our lime squeezed in there.
Oh gosh, yes. And you got to have one of these. If you're a cocktail person, make sure you get a juice squeezer because it makes it 10 times easier than what you'd expect. So you're going to do half of a lime. You're going to go 2 ounces of vodka. Okay. It's like a 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Depends on how you decide to count it out. So I'm gonna put this over here. Then you're gonna do a half of a ginger beer. Okay. And I love that they're small because you don't really. So you're gonna put a little bit of ginger beer in it, not much, just about a half, because you don't want to have that major taste. And then for adding the mimosa part of it.
Oh my goodness, this is a solid cocktail right here.
Yes, it is. So then we're doing, of course, you fill it up with champagne.
Look at that.
And there it is. And that's easy, okay?
Okay,
so
easy
pretty
peasy.
simple, not hard, easy to do, can be made pretty simply. All right, next one. This one I find very interesting. I'm not a big beer drinker. Do you drink beer? Okay, well, I'm not a beer drinker, but there are a lot of people that really love their beer. So this is called a Pina Colada Corona. Okay. And you do it with the bottled Corona. You can do the light, but I had the fully loaded one, so I took it. Pour out about, I don't know, quarter of it. Now, you can either throw it away or you can give it to someone else that doesn't want to want to waste anything.
Pina colada version.
Yeah, so we're going to put this over here for a second. All right, so take that. You're going to take your white rum, okay? And you're adding 2 ounces. Make sure you've got a funnel because this is a little bit, Okay. So you're going to do 2 ounces to the beer, okay? And funnels are great in this case. Make sure you got one. It's almost impossible to hit that. So, and then I love this coconut cream. This is, of course, real gourmet cream of coconut. You can just buy it at any of the liquor stores, H-E-B's, whatever. This is used in a lot of recipes too. And all you're gonna do is put a couple squeezes. Okay. Just about a half of a ounce, not a lot. You don't want a whole lot. And then we're gonna take pineapple juice.
Okay, this smells like a vacation over here.
It already is a vacation. And then you're gonna add the pineapple juice to it. And there you go.
Oh my goodness.
And then of course you put your thumb on it. Shake it up, and of course, you know Siobhain, she messes everything up. Watch out, Shelley.
That looks good. That looks so good.
I might let it go, and it's going to come up. So, there it is. That is your Corona that you can sit by the pool.
Guys, a couple of different drinks for you, and of course, if you would like to know more, you can always follow us on social media. We are at I Love SA Living, and online at saliving.com.